Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Strong. So in this video we'll be looking at different types of hinges like deadlift, kettlebell swings, goat back swings, single leg deadlift. So I'm going to explain each workout in detail and I'm going to explain the form properly, so I want you guys to listen carefully, alright? Okay, let's get into the first movement. So I'll explain the basic hinge. So I want you guys to place your hands on your hip, stand at shoulder width distance, and from here initiate the movement by pushing your hip back and maintain soft bend on your knees. So if you look at the final position, my knees are slightly bent. I'm not locking it, I'm keeping it slightly bent so that I'll get a good stretch on my hamstring, and then while coming back up you need to squeeze your glute. So we've understood what we have to do with the legs. Now I'm going to talk about the upper body. So push your hip back, keep your chest up, keep your back as straight as possible, and I want you guys to look straight or look down here. Don't look here, that will tuck your chin, so keep your neck neutral while doing this position. So the important points that you need to remember here is push your hip back, keep your chest up, back straight, and maintain soft bend on your knees, and when you come up, squeeze your glute. So get this position right first and then we'll move on to the next one. Now let's add a weight into this movement. So keep your hands straight, hold on to the weight, and the weight has to be closer to your body. Never move the weight away from your body, alright? Now from here, repeat the same movement. Push your hip back, look straight, keep your chest up, get your back parallel to the ground, feel a good stretch on your hamstring, then come back up. So going down is usually little slow. While coming up, you can increase the speed and you can squeeze your glute when you come back up. So this is a regular deadlift. Okay, so next let's look into goat back swings. So in goat back swings, the weight has to be placed close to your stomach. So you can use a dumbbell, you can use a kettlebell, but you need to push it against your stomach. Don't keep it close to your chest. It has to be a little low. And from here, hinge forward, keeping the weight pushed against your stomach. When you come up, you have to be explosive. So the focus is on your glute. Make sure the hinge is perfect and then be explosive with your glute. So the tempo is a bit faster than the regular deadlift, and your focus has to be in squeezing the glute and being explosive while coming up, alright? Okay, so now let's look at kettlebell swings. So I don't have a kettlebell, but I'm going to use dumbbells. You guys can also do the same, but be careful while gripping the dumbbell, alright? So get your stance wider, hold on to the dumbbell, have a good grip, make sure you're hinging, and keep the dumbbell a little bit in front. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to pull the dumbbell close to my groin and then start the kettlebell swings. Alright, so watch carefully. From here, I'm pulling it close to my groin and then pushing it forward. So I'm not using hand strength to lift the dumbbell up. I'm using the thrust from my hip. So you need to generate an explosive force. Automatically the dumbbell starts moving up. And keep your hands relaxed. Even if it's still here, that's fine. So don't focus on lifting your hands higher. Focus on getting the hinge right. So don't bend your knees too much. Focus on hinging properly and then thrust forward, alright? Okay, so we did deadlift, then we did goat back swings, then we did kettlebell swings. So the next one is a unilateral workout, which is a single leg deadlift. So I'll first demonstrate it without weights, and you guys can definitely add weight into this movement, alright? Okay, so stand at shoulder width, lift one leg off the ground, and the leg which is off the ground, try and keep it straight. And the leg which is on the ground, you'll have to maintain a soft bend on your knees, alright? Now from here, maintaining a soft bend, lift your leg up, push your hip back, and extend this hand down. So your goal has to be on getting a straight line from your head till your heel, and then come back into your starting position. So here you need to feel a good stretch on the leg which is on the ground. That's mandatory, and balance is also crucial here. So I'm going to demonstrate it again. Lift one leg off the ground, lift it backwards, hinge, maintain a soft bend on your knee, keep your chest up, get a straight line from head to heel, and then come back up. So I'll demonstrate it with weights now. So hold on to the weight, make sure you're stable and you're confident, and from here lift, start performing the hinge. Keep your chest up. Your focus is not to touch the ground. Your focus is to get your back and your leg parallel to the ground, and then come back up, squeezing your glute. Alright? Hope you guys got the form right. Thank you for watching, guys.